Hey, what is up guys? It's the Gaming Bug, and today we're back with another episode of my little BlackSmith. This is day 6, I think. Yeah, this is day 6. And off camera, I just went over here and bought a whole bunch of ingots. Money do we have? $26. That sucks. Let's go put this over here. Grab this. Oh, you want a great sword? Really? This early in the morning? It's like 7:54 in the morning. Whenever I'm recording this, and you want a great sword? Why didn't you just want a dagger? You already have that made. Ooh. Did I fall? I was going to record a video at like 7 o'clock, but my baby driver wasn't feeling good again, so I couldn't because we had to I had to help him. I had to help with the baby. Good thing we didn't have to go to the hospital. We were going to, but then he like stopped feeling bad or something. He had like a really bad fever, and like we were just gonna take him to the hospital because like no other doctor, place was open. So, but then his like fever went back down. That wasn't good. I'm just gonna start organizing for a minute while we're waiting. I need more grips. Alright, let's grab all these grips and place them up here. Okay. And this one. Really, I can't grab it? There I go. Darn it. No. You gotta stay up there. Stay up on that shelf. Oh. A great sword again? No. Oh my gosh, no. I am not gonna I'll make you a good sword. Demanding people nowadays want everything to give me a great sword now. She's like, calm the heck down. Fucking fragile sleeping beauty. Come on. It's time now. Back. I'll get this one. There we go. I'm gonna go get one of these grips and just go ding. I thought you wanted this. How much money did that give me? $40. Let me help you out there. You can actually push the NPCs, which is actually a pretty good feature if this happens. See? I just pushed them and they fixed themselves. I just woke up, by the way. Woke up at like 7. A one-handed hammer now. Maybe if I had some manners. Alright, let's just hammer this. So it turns into a blade. Boom, 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 boom. Booyah. Then you hit this again. And again. There we go. I wanted a one-handed hammer. Okay, I can do that. In my freaking dreams. I can't do it right now. So sorry. Oh, whoopsie. Dropped it. Alright. $32. I made like a $10 profit. Yay! Oh, and I still have that Mithril dagger. Showed it at the start of the episode. The dagger. She took the dagger. How much did that give me? $800. Dang. Son. That'll buy me another thing of Mithril. What do you want? A one-handed hand. I mean, I meant to say a one-handed sword. What? Order one of those. Order one of those. Just stack on top of each other. Yo, we're gonna make a stack of things. Alright? Just gonna make a giant stack of things. Get ready. Where is it? It's not even here. Is it? There's one. No. No, it's not even here. I really don't care. Because this is like a $5 grid. Put that. So just love how the purple just lights up. I love the color purple. My favorite color. Right there. Purple. I just throw these on the ground because I don't care about organizing them. I just keep them in separate piles. That's my way of organizing. I think that's the box over there. Is it? I think it is. Let me check. Place it down. No, it's not. Darn it. Where is that box? Oh, here it is. I was just wanting to see if that one was it, and it was. Because it just looked like it, but it didn't have the delivery inside, so you know, I'm just gonna hit it and see if it explodes. Here's that other grid. This is actually a pretty cool little game to be on free. Because I've seen some games like this that are like $5. Literally, no joke. Making a dagger. I wasn't going to say spear, no. Well, I'm not going to be posting later today because I have to go over to my cousin's because we have to go to a wedding, but I don't want to go, so I'm just going to go spend the night with my family, other family. And not, this pole arm fell apart. What? That's weird. You feel fired. Oh, roasted a boy. Oh, roasted. No, 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 no. Don't get roasted. Okay? Don't. Stop it. Get out my shop. You know what? I'm closed. Say goodbye. I want to see if he's still there. It's almost day 10. I think I will record until day 10 today. That means it'll be like a 40-minute video. No, I'm not. What up, stalker? I ain't giving you nothing, stalker. See, that's why I need another pole arm, because she just took that one. Apparently gave me $800. I have no idea why, because that Mithril dagger would have given me $800. Pole arm, now, working on it. She's like, oh, I see that person with that pole arm, and I want that pole arm. Here's the pole arm. Yo, I made a pole arm with Mithril. I don't remember doing that, but okay. What do you want? Great hammer. No. I only do daggers and pole arms. So tired. Kill me. Let's go ahead and buy an iron ingot, but I don't have enough money. Come on, place thy order. Oh yeah. Another Mithril ingot. What I should do, just like save up money so I can get 3 Mithril ingots and then just make like a great sword or something. Now as soon as someone walks in, take it. I'm like, bye bye, bye bye. What the heck just happened to me? I'm just making this polearm out of copper because I'm not gonna make it out of Mithril. Because I want to save it to where I can make like a one-handed sword or hammer. A great hammer! No, buddy! Mithril, you need to be up there. And I need more ingots. No! Die! Die, potato! I scared her. That one-handed hammer. Oh, I can do that. Oh, I can do that. Oh. No, you gotta stay under fire. There you go. Now you're ready. Alright, let's just hit this until it becomes super cool. Booyah! A one-handed hammer. What, really? Ow, my ears. Can I not, like, take these off the shelf? Not to, like, sell them or anything, just to take them off so I can put these up on here. So whenever someone wants it, it's just right here. No, I can't. Which was at $800. Okay. Yeah, see, now I have 2 myth royales. I don't even think I'm saying it right. Just that's how I pronounce it, you know. This is how I pronounce it. Alright. Right. Alright, what do you want? One-handed hammer. I can do that with myth right now. There we go, ready. Alright. There it goes. Got the blades. Now we just got to turn it into a hammer. Actually, that looks really cool. You wanted a one-handed hammer, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. There you go. Have it. Take it! That gave me $1,600. Dang. Well, I mean, now I can buy this ingot over here. Yeah, no. Alright, so this ingot is 1,000. Guessing this is 1,500? Yup. Booyah! We bought some titanium. Titanium actually looks pretty cool, to be honest. Oh, by the way, this is the best ingot in the game. Best ingot. Best ingot in the game right now. So, I mean, for me to even have this, I am just honored. No, for me to even have this, I'm just happy. Oh my gosh. This stuff looks like some dark steel straight out of like some witchcraft. No joke. I'm just making a dagger with it because I can't make anything else with it. Grips. I mean, I could make a pole arm, but I mean, I already got a pole arm, so. Buy that. Come on. Darn it. Said go up, no, up there. Okay, take it, and go put it up on this shelf. Yes, there we go. There we go. There we go. Congratulations, you have created a titanium dagger. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! No. We're closed. Alright, well guys, that's the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked it, leave a like. Can I see myself? No. It only works whenever you're running. Leave a like if you liked it. And subscribe if you new. And I'll see you when I see ya. Bye.